Hello everyone, I am Emma, and today I am going to ride a tuk-tuk. A tuk-tuk is a small open taxi in Thailand. It goes very fast. Ready? Let's go! Tuk-tuk. A tuk-tuk is a small open taxi. It has 3 wheels. Far. Far means a long distance away, not near. Far. Stop. Stop means don't go. Stay here. Destination. A destination is the place you want to go. Perfect. Now, our 3 phrases. Oh, we are moving, but I don't know where. So I ask, where are we going? 4 words. The driver says, we are going to the Grand Palace. Your turn. Where are we going? Excellent. The Grand Palace. But is it near or far? I ask. How far is it? How far is it? We say this when we want to know the distance. The driver says, it is 5 kilometers. Now you say it. How far is it? Amazing. Oh, a beautiful temple. I want to stop. I say, stop here, please. Stop. Here. Please. Always say please. It is very polite. Say it with me. Stop here. Please. Great. Very polite. Nong, where are we going? Nong, we are going to Wat Pho, the temple of the reclining Buddha. Emma. Oh, how far is it? Nong, it is not far, only 10 minutes. Oh, I can see the river. It's beautiful. Nong, yes, that is the Chao Phraya River. Emma. Oh, stop here, please. I want to take a photo. Thailand is so beautiful. Quiz time, let's go. Question 1. You don't know where you are going. What do you ask? Where are we going? Question 2. You want to know the distance. What do you ask? How far is it? Question 3. You want the driver to stop. What do you say? Stop here, please. Wonderful. You are a fantastic English learner. Today, you learned 3 phrases. Where are we going? How far is it? Stop here, please. A tuk-tuk ride in Bangkok is so exciting, fast, colorful, and fun. Next time, Emma visits a Thai cooking class. She will learn, can I mix this? What do I add next? And I made this myself. See you next time. Bye-bye.